Welcome back friends to PcomLab, Tech Beyond Expectations. In this video, we are going to explore Higgsfield AI, in which we can generate AI videos with cinematic quality, visual effects, and ready presets. We are talking about professional AI tools built for creators, marketers, and for businesses. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First things first, head over to Google and search for Higgsfield. Click on the first link to enter the world of high-end AI video generation. Here is the dashboard. As you can see, the interface is sleek. You have sections for exploring community content, generating images, and specifically the cinema studio, which is where the magic happens. It's built for creating storyboards and consistent characters. Before we create, let's check our workspace. I'm logged into my account. Make sure you keep an eye on your credits here in the profile section, as high-quality rendering does consume them. We are all set with the ultimate plan, so let's push this tool to its limits. Now, let's move to phase 1, image generation. We need a strong base before we can animate. I'm opening up the cinema studio. I want to create a very specific vibe. I'm typing in a prompt for a medium shot 35mm lens featuring a cyberpunk hacker in a neon-lit server room. Notice I'm adding details about rain streaming down glass and moody atmosphere to test the lighting engine. I'm setting the aspect ratio to 16:9 for that cinematic look and bumping the resolution up to 2K for maximum detail. Let's hit generate and see what Higgsfield comes up with. And look at that result. The lighting on the face, the neon reflections, it's incredibly sharp. I'm going to download this immediately. Always save your best assets locally so we can use them in the next step. With our base image ready, we enter phase 2, image to video generation. Let's bring this static image to life. I'm uploading the cyberpunk image we just created. Higgsfield gives us granular control over camera movement. I'm selecting pan right to give the scene a sense of depth and movement rather than just a static zoom. Here's a pro tip. Don't just rely on the image. In the prompt box, describe the action. I'm telling the AI that the hacker types rapidly, code reflects in his glasses, and smoke rises slowly. This guides the animation engine. I leave the other settings on default and hit generate. It takes a moment. And there we go. Look at the subtle head movement and the smoke.
System breach initiated. Now we wait.
It understood the physics of the scene perfectly. I'm satisfied with this. To keep things organized, I'm creating a new folder in my library called Neon Server Hacker and moving these assets there. You can also see here in the Community tab what others are making.
The golem slowly opens its glowing blue eyes. Birds fly away from the shoulder. The leaves rustle.
Like this golem animation, which is great for inspiration.
The golem slowly opens its glowing blue eyes. Birds fly away from the...
Finally, let's look at phase 3, the edit section. Specifically, the Inpainting feature. Sometimes an image is perfect, but it's missing one element. I'm going to the Inpaint tool and uploading our hacker image again. I feel like this desk is too empty. In the prompt box, I'm simply typing "add a coffee cup" on his desk. This uses generative fill to blend a new object into the existing lighting of the scene. Let's see how it handles the neon reflections. Incredible! It added the cup and it even matched the shadows and the blue tint of the room. It looks like it was there all along. I'll download this final version. They also have an AI assistant here if you get stuck with prompting. Higgsfield is proving to be a serious competitor in the AI video space. A huge shout out to the team at Higgsfield AI for collaborating with PcomLap and making this video possible. It is genuinely exciting to see professional grade tools like Cinema Studio becoming accessible for creators like us. I've dropped a link in the description. Go give it a try. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.